Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April and today I wanted to do a fall makeup look, and I wanted to base this look around a Makeup Geek pigment that I've had for quite a while and I never use it. So it's called Vegas Lights. I'm sure most of you guys have this. This became very popular when it came out. And that's kind of what I want to do for the next few videos, is do like a shop my collection kind of look. So we're going to be doing a coppery fall look with this eyeshadow, and we're also going to be using a palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. And I don't know about you guys, but I hardly ever use the palettes I get in my BoxyCharm. So I wanted to do that today as well. And the one I'm going to use is the Studio Makeup On The Go eyeshadow palette. This one right here. And I'm trying to find... oh, it's called Cool Down. So this is the cool toned eyeshadow palette, and the colors are like this. The reason I'm using this with the copper eyeshadow is that I don't want this look to be overwhelmingly warm. So I'm going to throw in some cool tone shadows and some purple shadows. And I really hope you guys enjoy this look. If you do, give me a like, comment down below, let me know what you think, and let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. And now I'm using that pigment I was talking about in the beginning of the video, and I'm mixing it with my lit glitter glue, which I forgot to show. And I'm just using a flat brush. This is actually an angled brush, but any flat brush would really work for this. And I'm just kind of packing that on to my lid. And I actually made a mistake in this video that I cut out, but I'll tell you guys about it just in case it might help you. That lit glitter glue, it says on the instructions to dip the brush in and then let a drop fall off the brush and then go ahead and dip it into the pigment and onto your eyes. But I found that when I did that, there was still way too much liquid on the brush, and so the eyeshadow pigment was going on like a liquid instead of like a glitter with some glue on it. And then later when I went to blend around it, it all started flaking off. So what I do is I just scrape the brush against the rim of the bottle until almost all of the liquid has come off the brush, and then I dip it into the pigment, and that gives me a really, really beautiful effect. So in case you guys have ever had trouble with that glitter adhesive liquid, um, try that and see if it helps.